Welcome, I'm Dr. Motahare and this is the Art of Medicine channel. Today we are exploring one of the most celebrated ways of eating in the world, the Mediterranean diet, rooted in the traditional foods of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. This diet is more than just food, it's a lifestyle that promotes heart health, reduces inflammation, and longer life. Let's begin, but before that, please hit the like button and subscribe. Here, I'll highlight how the Mediterranean diet offers more than just good taste. It delivers a real science-backed health benefits. Studies consistently show this diet reduces the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. It also helps the control with controlling inflammation, protecting brain health, and supporting a healthy weight. The key message here is that by choosing whole, nutrient-dense foods and healthy fats, we are not just eating well, we are actively investing in our long-term health. Let's talk how the Mediterranean diet is particularly beneficial for heart health. It emphasizes on healthy fats, especially olive oil, which is rich in monosaturated fats and antioxidants that help reduce bad cholesterol LDL and rise good cholesterol HDL. It also includes plenty of fiber-rich vegetables, fruit, legumes, and whole grains, which help lower blood pressure and improve vascular function. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids from fish like salmon and sardines reduce inflammation and prevent blood clots. Altogether, this dietary pattern supports a healthier cardiovascular system and lowers the risk of heart attack and stroke. So, the Mediterranean diet supports health through a variety of nutrient-rich foods. Healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish provide omega-3 and monosaturated fats that reduce inflammation, protect the heart, and support brain health. Antioxidants from fruits, vegetables, and herbs help fight oxidative stress, slow aging, and lower the risk of chronic disease. Whole grains such as brown rice, oats, and whole wheat offer fiber, B vitamins, and minerals, great for digestion, blood sugar control, and heart health. Plant-based proteins like legumes, nuts, and seeds deliver essential amino acids and reduce inflammation without saturated fats. Lean animal proteins, especially fish and low-fat dairy, provide vitamin D, B12, and omega-3s, key for brain, bone, and immune health. Phytochemicals, which are rich in colorful plants, herbs, and teas, act as natural anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer agents. Minerals like magnesium, calcium, potassium, and iron help regulate blood pressure, strengthen bones, and support oxygen transport. Together, these nutrients make the Mediterranean diet a powerful tool for preventing and managing chronic stress while promoting overall wellness. Small but sustainable changes can make a big difference in reducing inflammation. Switch to olive oil instead of butter or margarines for cooking and dressing. Eat more colorful vegetables. Replace red meat with fatty fish like salmon or sardines 2-3 times per week. Choose whole grains like brown rice and oats over refined pasta and white rice. Snack on nuts and fruits instead of chips and cookies and candy. Limit sugary drinks. Drink water. Use herbal and spices like turmeric, garlic to flavor meals naturally and boost anti-inflammatory benefits. These simple swaps make your diet more protective, sustainable, and enjoyable without feeling restricted. Let's break down a simple way to remember key dietary principles. The ABC rule. A. Avoid bad fat, choose healthy oils. Stay away from trans fats and heavily processed oil. Instead, cook with extra virgin olive oil, use avocados, and enjoy nuts and seeds. B. Beans, fish, and lean proteins. Replace red and processed meat with beans, lentils, fatty fish like salmon, and a little bit of lean poultry and eggs. For a balanced plant and animal protein level that support muscle and metabolic health. C. Choose whole grain. Opt for whole wheat bread and brown rice over white rice and refined flour. Whole grains offer fibers, B vitamins, and help regulate blood sugar and support gut health. This ABC approach is simple, memorable, and helps guide daily food choices toward a more anti-inflammatory and Mediterranean pattern. The Mediterranean diet isn't about specific foods from one region. It's about a style of eating you can apply anywhere in the world. Focus on principle, more vegetable, whole grains, healthy fat, and less processed food. Use local produce, seasonal foods, and regional spices that reflects your preferences. Whether you're cooking Persian, Indian, Latin American, or Asian dishes, you can still follow Mediterranean principles. Just adjust your oils, grains, and proteins accordingly. Think of it as a global lifestyle template that is flexible, flavorful, and backed by science. The key is to make it sustainable, enjoyable, and personalized to your environment and culture. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this information helpful and empowering for your health journey. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical, science-backed tips on nutrition, wellness, and health. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss future updates. And I'd love to hear from you. Feel free to leave a comment or question below. Your support helps this community grow, and I truly appreciate it. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.